help you? Fuck you!
Intelligent version of Hitler with orange skin. He's a sexist, a sleazy racist level that we hear every election season, right? Well, if the Republicans win, they're going to put you in camps. Well, if the Democrats win, they're going to just take all your guns. You hear normal levels of hyperbole, seasonal and endemic, which I predicted fairly early last year, around April, if I remember correctly.
Jesus fucking Christ! What the fuck?
Symptoms. There's nothing you can do about it, so it'll just make Twitter worse as well. There's still BS since you've got the world watchers. They just want any excuse to be able to abuse their neighbors and look down upon others because they're psychologically projecting and they have very, very low self-esteem. And so they hide that behind the facade of being upright and tidy. And I follow the rules and I expect
everyone fucking retarded today or something? What the fuck is wrong with people?